Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Tizum HDMI cable. This HDMI cable is 1.8 meters long and is built around the HDMI 1.4 standard, which basically means that it can support bandwidths of up to 10.2 Gbps. It is also backwards compatible with older versions, and it can be used with devices like Blu-ray players, PCs, and other display devices. On the front of the package, we can see and brand name itself. Underneath that, we can see the website for the Tizum brand. And right here, we can see the social media handles for the brand as well. On top of that, we can see the importer details, and we can also see some details regarding the customer care. That's about it on the outside of the package. Let's get into it now. Inside the package, all we get is the HDMI cable itself. We can see that the pins have some protective plastic covers on them. We can also see that it has a premium connector with a sturdy jacket, and we can see some Tizum branding on the jacket itself. On the cable, we can see some details regarding the cable. Here we can see that it is a high-speed HDMI cable which also supports Ethernet. We know that it is 1.8 meters long. The cable itself is pretty thick and robust and can be used in a rough way without any problems. This has been the unboxing of the Tizum HDMI cable. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.